Chal Chakra. In this video, I'm going to share what is going to happen in the coming week for each zodiac sign. This particular prediction is based on the sun sign. If you have any confusion related to what is your sun sign, what is your moon sign, and what is your Lagna and ascendant, then the link being shared in the comment section, you can go and check that what is your sun sign, moon sign and Lagna. If you have subscribed my channel, then thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that
so Libra, today I have taken 8 cards for you. What is going to happen for you in coming week? So this particular week, it seems like that you have to relax and trust process this week. You have to trust the universe and you have to surrender yourself to the universe. That is the best advice I would like to give you after seeing all the cards. It seems like that you have so focused on particular project or a plan this particular week that you might be overthinking a lot. You have a lot of stress about that particular thing. This week, try to relax a bit. It seems like that your plan is likely to succeed, but still you have a lot of stress about it. You're overthinking a lot. You need to understand that the human bodies are made up of stardust. Whatever you think, you will end up attracting that particular thing. So try to focus only on the positive and things will likely to succeed. You need not to worry about it. If you have too much of stress, you could make it unnecessary complication for your own self. Create a calm environment. Try to work on yourself. Do the self-analysis. Sit in a comfortable position. Try to do meditation. Meditation link has already been shared in the comment section. Grab a notebook and write down whatever your stress is and burn the same in the candle. It will help you out to release all the stress which you have. Plan something like you can go out. You can spend some time alone. Try to listen to one relaxing music and take your time to review your idea this particular week. Remember, it doesn't have to be difficult. You might have to negotiate something with some person this particular week, which usually could not be a big deal for you. But however, this particular situation could involve some close to you, like a friend or the family member, making a feel awkward situation for you. Approach the conversation in a professional-like manner. It should go smoothly and things will be better. Your living situation might also come up in a discussion whether you are thinking about buying a home or finding a new rental place during this time. Don't rush the process. Don't take the impulsive decision. If you don't find the perfect place right away, give it time. Show patience. It's better to wait for something that feels right than to settle for something that won't bring you happiness. Towards the end of the week, an unexpected plan may come up. Even if you are tempted to say no, consider going along with it. It will be going to help you out. You need to unwind and enjoy yourself. Your responsibility can wait until later. So this is a good time. You should go ahead and don't say no to that particular opportunity. Your sun sign, let's see what a card have stored for you for coming week. So coming week, it seems like from seeing all the cards that you should prepare your ideas and embrace the emotions this week. You have to work a lot on your emotions this week. Before you share an existing idea this week, make sure that you should take time to fully develop it. Don't rush into taking about it, just relax. You need to be relaxed, show patience here. Make notes, figure out how to present it clearly and refine your pitch before presenting something to somewhere. This preparation will help you attract the interest you need to move forward with your plan. You usually keep your emotions under your wrap, but this week you might feel more expressive and open. So this is a time where you have to express yourself. Since long you are struggling a lot mentally, but now it's a time to open up and share your feelings with others, share your emotions with others. This particular week you might feel more expressive and open and try to share those feelings. You can find yourself sharing personal feelings or thoughts that you usually keep private. This could actually be a positive experience for you, as it might lead to a deeper connection with someone who can offer support, inspiration and encouragement. Don't be afraid to let your emotions show. Being open can lead to unexpected benefits. You might have something big coming up in the next week, so be prepared for that, and it requires the preparation. although there is still time, don't fall into the trap of starting working on this week. Start work on this week, it is required. This extra time will allow you to brainstorm and refine your ideas, reducing stress as the deadline approaches. Lastly, this is a great week to explore a new interest, especially if you have a friend who shares your passion. Reach out and start exploring together. It could lead to a fun and meaningful experience. You start working on your passion because it is a good time to work on your passion. Do something that makes you happy, Scorpio, as a remedy to enhance your luck and overcome the stress and the challenges which you are going to face during this time. Try to chant Hanuman Chalisa, it will help you a lot. Sun sign, let's see what have cards stored for you coming week. It seems like after seeing all the cards, it seems like that you're stepping up and making plans this week. You might have an opportunity to take the lead on some particular project this week. Sagittarius, although it seems like that you feel intimidating at first, also a great chance to step up and show your skill this time. Once you get started, your fears will likely fade. It seems like that you have a lot of fears about something that you're starting new. So this particular fears will be going to fade, and you might find exciting in this particular project, in your professional life or in your personal life. This particular project could be a cause you care about deeply, and you may end up meeting interesting like-minded people along with the way. So this is a good time. You could also receive an invitation that feels a bit awkward, leaving you unsecure how to respond. If you don't feel like comfortable attending, and remember that you don't owe anyone an explanation. It's okay, politely decline or ask for a recheck if that feels better for you, because it seems like that it will impact your mental health, and for you the mental health is the priority. So you can say no to that. It seems like this particular week, it's being wild that you took a vacation. So this week might be the perfect time to start planning for the one. You should start planning for a vacation. So this is a perfect time for it. If you can't take time off right now, you can't afford your dream trip, right? So this is a perfect time to plan for it and going after. It seems like that you are going for a trip in the coming week. Not in the coming week, in this particular coming week, you are going to plan for a trip, and the next week or the coming months, you can go for that particular trip. And this is a perfect time to manifest for your vacation. Try to make a checklist where you want to go, which place you want to visit, and which place you want to attract. So dreaming about that ideal vacation will help you out to attract that, and manifestation will work well for this particular week. So this is a time where someone may try to convince you that you have enough time and would like to convince you to join some project, but it is not suggestible. Try to give time to your own self and put yourself on priority. Don't let yourself to be pressurized, and try to first work on yourself and show patience, and then take the decision, because when you take the decisions in the pressure or into the commitment, then that can lead to a stress or will make you more stressful. To overcome the challenges this week, try to listen to Vishnu Sahasranam. It will help you. Let's see what card have hold for you for the coming week. First, it seems like that the new opportunities and unexpected surprises are coming on the way. That's a good sign that is seen here. At the start of the week, you might realize that the plan you agreed to isn't it what you thought it would be. This is likely isn't it because anyone tricked you, but because you had a different idea in your mind. Still give it a chance. It could turn out to be better than you expect, and you don't disappoint anyone. So this week doesn't seem like a bad week for you. Things will become better for you. It could turn out to be a better than you expect. You won't disappoint anyone. By Wednesday, it seems like a friend might want to talk about a project you plan to do together. You might start feeling like this idea is too unusual for you, and your practical side is starting to question it. But there might be a safer option you can try without giving up on the plan completely. Think about it. You could find a new and a unique way to make money this week. It might seem unusual, but it's a low risk and has a good potential. Go for it. If you have a last minute date or outing over the weekend, try it could turn out to be better than you think. Just keep your expectation low and remember that's more about enjoying the company than the activity itself, and things can become better for you. To overcome the challenges this week, try to chant mantra Om Sham Shanacharaya Nama. It will help you. Aquarius sun sign. So let's see what card have stored for you for coming week. So Aquarius who are single, then this is a good week for you. There is a high possibility of the romance and the new beginning. If you're single, this could be a great week for meeting someone special. And there is a high possibility someone from your past whom you have a crush or your old flame may come back in your life and unexpectedly come back into your life and want to talk to you. So it will be your choice that you want to talk to them or not. Be confident and show some interest, as this could lead to a meaningful romance relationship. If you are already in a relationship, this week could also bring a romance. Your partner can plan some surprise for you and things will be good. So you are like this lady, a blissful lady, coming week relationship wise. But this is not so good time career wise. In career wise, you may feel unsatisfied with the job or the project you have been working, or whether it's your career or the personal project. Consider yourself, make it more interesting. Think about exploring more other option. If you're frustrated in your current job, then try to look for a new job during this time. It is suggested that this is a good time to create the vision board. This is a good time to manifest your life. Write down your goals and start working on it. Start visualizing it. Because if you allow the process, if you allow the universe and surrender yourself to the universe, things can be better in your life. It's a good time to manifest your life, and being your Aquarius, so you can manifest your life easily. Try to focus on the manifestation this week. To overcome the challenges, offer cooked food to the needy every Saturday. It will help you a lot. Pisces sun sign, let's see what have card hold for you. So Pisces, as you're always looking for something, searching for something better in your life, so this particular week it seems like that you have to reflect a lot on your emotions and a relationship. You may have recently been an event or gathering that had strong emotional impact on you. That seems like that you're thinking a lot about that particular incident that happened in your life recently. There may have been a disagreement with someone who attended and you did not get the chance to talk it out. Whether it's because you didn't know what to say or person avoided you, you might feel disconnected. If you want to explore this further, try to keep a notebook with you. Start journalizing, start writing down your thoughts and feelings, and try to burn it, whatever the feelings which you have which is giving you stress. Over the time, you will gain a more clarity in your relationship or the problems which you are facing in your life right now. It seems like that you will be going to resolve it, and a close friend might have become more dependent upon you recently. Recently, while you care deeply for this person, you might feeling overwhelmed by their constant attention, as you have a tendency of don't say no to someone. It's important to set the boundaries here by suggesting activities they enjoy and being less available, because you have to prioritize your own self. I know that you have a weak Venus planet, but still try to prioritize your own self. This will help both of you in the long run. And later in the week, a conversation that you might be supportive and positive would take a negative turn. Someone's surface or something surprisingly will come up to you. Don't delay addressing it. So don't delay addressing it. The sooner you talk to it, the better it will be for both of you. So try to work on your mental health this week. Try to manifest your life. Do meditation. Start writing down your negative thoughts and burn it. Meditation link has already been shared in the comment section. So before you sleep, try to do the meditation. It will help you a lot. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and for the daily updates, subscribe us. And still you have any questions, then you can share us on the comment. I will be going to help you out.